What's going on here?
Hello.
Hi, beautiful.
I just got your message. That's so lovely.
Alright, hope you like it though. Have you eaten?
No, I've not.
Alright, check your door, check your door.
My door?
Yeah, check your door.
Okay, 1 minute.
You too like food.
Baby girl, I've made up my mind. I am falling for Notch. This guy buys me food, he sends me money, he calls me every day.
Okay.
My boyfriend is always too busy. He doesn't give me time like Notch do. Bego, I'm giving Notch a chance. Oh my god, hi! Notch, you came to see me today.
Yeah, I was just passing by, so I said let me come and check up on you.
Oh, thanks.
I got this for you.
Oh my god. It smells nice. Thank you so much.
Alright, I'll be going, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Wait. So what are we now?
I'm a choosing. Who are you?
You got a Dutch man, Adam.